Hello, my name is Majamo.
Hello, my name is Austin Carter.
I'm Khalil McCall.
I'm Shawndell McGriff, and we are RunTime Terra, a group of college students working on our information systems senior project. The community partner that we were teamed up with is Project for Healing, a non-profit organization that works to help refugees in Northeast Florida find resources like food, housing, jobs, and many other much-needed resources. The problem that Project for Healing had was that they were keeping track of all of their resources that they collected in a Google Drive document. Resource providers would have to call, email, or see them in person to be added to the list, while refugees would have to come in person to learn about different resources and get printouts of the documents that they needed. With over 100 resources and many refugees needing help, Project for Healing decided that they needed an online resource management system, which is what we came together to create this website to do. And Austin will tell you more about it.
Yep. So, in creating the system, we had four primary objectives that we wanted to accomplish. Um, the first being we wanted the system to allow users, such as refugees and immigrants, to be able to view different resources that are local to them um, to where they're currently located. We wanted the Project for Healing organization to be able to um, receive different resources from organizations, whether they be local to the Project for Healing location or uh, different organizations throughout the state that have multiple different locations. We wanted them to have the ability to submit their information to the database so that Project for Healing can make that information visible to immigrants and resources that visit the page. And then we also wanted the Project for Healing staff to be able to manage those resources, edit them if need be, and also manage the people that are allowed to manage the website itself or the database itself. Um, and so to start off the whole process of submitting a resource and getting it approved and getting it out to the public for refugees and immigrants to view is sort of the main purpose of the website. And for some more information on the background and the framework of how we went about developing it, we'll pass on to Khalil.
All right, so pretty much for the solution architecture, um, there was like we had weekly Scrum meetings, one in the beginning of the week and one in the end, pretty much just updating each other on the processes that we're working on, how's everything is going with the programs that we're writing and the pages that we're designing. Um, I do have the database design pulled up right here. Um, we have two tables in the database: the resource and admin. The resource obviously you need the primary key, the resource ID, the organization name, number, address, suite, zip code, organization description, the website, the city, Boolean value for is it approved or not, the file path, as well as up to three allowed resource types and up to three. Um, and then you have admin, the primary key for the username, first name, last name, email, phone number, basic information. Admin password, photo path, and a Boolean value for if they're a super user or not. Technologies that we use, ASP.NET Core 3.0. We did all this in Visual Studio. We frameworks that we used were a little bit of jQuery here and there, and Bootstrap as well. And then I'm gonna pass you off Malcolm for how to submit a resource.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, sorry. Okay, now we are on resource submitting page. This page is to create new resource, and service providers and staff members can easily submit their resource by using this form. They can insert necessary credentials here. Then they can upload any PDF or any format documents by browsing the computer. Then finally, they're gonna specify what type of resource they are submitting, and they can using these checkboxes, and they have to agree the terms of conditions, and then they can easily submit the new resources. And I will pass the next step to Shawndell.
Once you've submitted a resource form, you'll log in to only admins will be able to log in. And admin will come to where it says unapproved, approved resources. They'll hit approve, and it shows that they have no recent submissions. They'll be able to manage their resources. As far as editing and deleting them, they only super user will be able to create new admins or remove admins. After that, they'll be submitted to the database, and they'll be able to be viewed by refugees, and Austin and Khalil will tell you more about that.
All right, so for a user visiting the site, they have two options of finding resources. They can search for the resource up here, or they can view on the map. I'm gonna give you a quick tutorial on searching. So you can search through a keyword by keyword, and if that keyword matches any name of a resource or a type that they have, it'll pop up when you search, and then a list of resources will pop up. You can click on the resource and see its page, see the name of it, the description, their email, site, and some files that they might want you to see as well. And I'm gonna pass you off to Austin so he can show you more about looking for them on the map.
All right, and so if you're searching for a resource on the map, pretty much what you'll do is as soon as you log onto the page for the first time, it'll ask you for your location, and it'll then center the map on your location where you can see all of the different resources that are around you. So any resource that's been submitted through the resource form and approved by an admin will show up here. And then say if you've found the one that you're looking for and you'd like to go to the information page for that resource, like for here, for instance, we have the Jacksonville Public Housing. If we click the more info link, it takes you to the info page for the Jacksonville Public Housing, where you can then view the different files that they've submitted for their resource, or go to their informational website. So those are the two primary ways of viewing and searching for the resources that are in the resource management system. And we'll pass it on to Melekamu for a brief summary.
Okay, we believe that this project can benefit our clients and refugee and immigrant communities. Finally, we would like to thank you, or our clients and our great mentor, David Haney. Thanks so much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, everybody.